Did you know the easiest snacks can be the healthiest too? Yep, you don't need fancy ingredients or tons of time to make something tasty that's also good for you. Today, I've got 5 simple snacks you can whip up at home in no time, and trust me, you'll love them. Before we dive in, smash that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready for some delicious snack inspo. Snack 1, banana oat cookies. Let's kick things off with a super easy and surprisingly healthy cookie. Banana oat cookies, just 2 ingredients and they're packed with fiber. What you need: 2 ripe bananas and 1 cup of oats. Steps: mash the bananas, mix in the oats until it's all combined, drop spoonfuls onto a baking sheet, and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. These cookies are naturally sweet and make a perfect grab-and-go snack. Plus, they're gluten-free and great for anyone watching their sugar intake. Who wouldn't love a cookie that's good for you? Snack 2, Greek yogurt and berries. Snack number 2 is a classic, but still one of my faves: Greek yogurt and berries. This one's a protein powerhouse that's as easy as it gets. What you need: 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, a handful of berries, blueberries, strawberries, or whatever you like, and a drizzle of honey if you're feeling sweet. Steps: scoop the yogurt into a bowl, add your berries on top, drizzle with honey or a sprinkle of chia seeds for an extra nutrient boost. Greek yogurt is full of probiotics, great for digestion, and the berries add antioxidants. Talk about a snack that's as nutritious as it is delicious. Snack 3, apple slices with peanut butter. Who's down for a combo of sweet and salty? Apple slices with peanut butter are a childhood favorite that's just as good when you're an adult. What you need: 1 apple, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter or any nut butter, and cinnamon, optional. Steps: 1, slice up your apple. 2, spread peanut butter over each slice. 3, sprinkle a little cinnamon on top for extra flavor. This snack has healthy fats and fiber that keep you full longer. Just be mindful of portion sizes. Too much nut butter can add up in calories if you're not careful. But seriously, who could say no to this combo? Snack 4, avocado toast with a twist. Avocado toast is a classic, but let's level it up with an egg on top for some extra protein. Perfect for a midday snack or even breakfast. What you need: 1 slice of whole grain bread, half an avocado, 1 egg, salt, and pepper. Steps: 1, toast your bread. 2, mash the avocado and spread it on the toast. 3, fry an egg, or poach it if you're fancy, and place it on top. 4, season with salt, pepper, and maybe a little red pepper flakes for a kick. Avocado gives you those heart-healthy fats, and adding an egg makes this snack super satisfying. Who doesn't love a good Avo toast? Snack 5, veggie sticks with hummus. Last but not least, we've got the ultimate healthy snack: veggie sticks and hummus. It's crunchy, creamy, and totally guilt-free. What you need: carrots, cucumber, and bell peppers sliced into sticks with a 1/4 cup of hummus. Steps: 1, slice your veggies. 2, scoop some hummus into a bowl. 3, dip and enjoy. Veggies give you fiber and crunch, while hummus adds protein and healthy fats. It's a balanced snack that's perfect when you're craving something savory. Plus, it's vegan and gluten-free. What's not to love? And there you have it. 5 easy snacks that are as tasty as they are healthy. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more snack hacks and recipe ideas. Check the description for more details and links to some of my favorite snack ingredients. See you next time. Smash that subscribe button and keep snacking smart, friends.